In today's Schoology tutorial, I will show you how to create a folder, how to create an assignment, how to create an assignment with Kami, and how to link your digital buttons to a folder, an assignment, and an outside website. Let's get started. When you first log in to Schoology, you will come to a default landing page with either recent activity or course dashboard. You can adjust which one of these is your default landing page by going to your name in the upper right corner, then Settings, then scrolling all the way down to Other Options. You will go to your course dashboard and click on the course you want to view. On the course dashboard, I will show you how to create a folder. First, go to Add Materials, then Add Folder. A new window will open with your folder options. Give your folder a name. I prefer to order my folders by week so my students can access the materials for the whole week in one place. Then choose a folder color. You can color code folders so each week is a different color. This helps students identify which folder they should be working from. Then, in the description, you can type any relevant notes students might need to know about the folder. Select the beginning and end date from the date options at the bottom. If you want your students to be able to view the folder, select Publish. If you want to save the folder but don't want students to access it yet, select Unpublished. Selecting Publish on a start date will automatically publish the folder on the start date you selected in the date range. Selecting Publish during date range will make the folder available and viewable to students only during the period of time you put in the date range. After you have finished selecting the folder option you would like to use, hit Create. After you have created your folder, you are ready to create subfolders, assignments, links, and other materials. With the Folder Option tool, you can edit the folder, unpublish the folder, individually assign the folder, move the folder, copy the folder to another course, or save a copy of the folder to your resources. So now that we have the basics of creating a folder down, let's move on to assignments. To add an assignment, you have a couple of options. You can either add an assignment to the Materials section, or you may click on a folder to add the assignment there. To do this, you will go to Add Materials, then Add Assignment. A new window will open up where you can fill in information about the assignment. Write your title, then write a description or directions for the assignment. Here you can add links, pictures, videos, or even integrate an app directly into the assignment. The apps available to you will depend upon what your district has a license to use. If we go to Insert Image Media, we can upload a video or image to the file. Upload the video to the assignment by clicking Attach File, select the media, and then click Open. You may also choose to use an image or video from the web. Select From the Web and then go to either Image or Media. Copy and paste the link where you found the image or media and then hit Insert Media. Another option would be to add a link, a file, or something from the resource folder, an audio video recording, or an external tool. Underneath the Upload tools are integrations your district has set up from your online storage systems like Google Drive or OneDrive. You can attach resources from those locations by clicking on these buttons. When you are finished creating your assignment, add a due date for your assignment and adjust the points. Then go down to Category and select either Ungraded or create a new grading category. After you create some grading categories, these will be set for you to use the next time. Then select the class period, factor, and rubric. You can choose the learning objectives that meet the assignment by clicking the Align button and navigating to the standards, then clicking Add Learning Objectives. At the very bottom of the assignment options, you may choose from individually assign the resource, lock or unlock the resource, enable submissions, publish to students, comments enabled, and copy to courses. If you go to individually assign to students, this will give you the ability to assign the work to specific students. If you go to lock, students will not be able to submit assignments. You want to make sure your assignments are unlocked to allow students to submit work. Comments enabled means that students can comment on the assignment. Usually it is best to keep this option turned off. You can use Copy to Courses to copy the assignment to other courses. Hit Create when you are finished with your assignment selections. Your assignment will then appear in either the folder you selected or the Materials section. The next project will be adding an assignment with Kami. First, you will need to make sure you have the Kami app installed on your device and that you are using Google Chrome in order to access it. Your students will also need to have Kami installed on their devices. You will follow the same steps for creating an assignment, except you need to go to Assign from App and then select Kami. The first time you do this, you might need to allow Kami to access your Google Drive. Click on Pick a File and select where you would like to choose the file from. Upload the document to Schoology. When students go to their page, they will have a button that prompts them to open the assignment in Kami. After they open the assignment in Kami, students will complete the assignment using the tools on the left-hand side of the screen. After they've completed the assignment, they can click Turn In when they were finished. The last part of this tutorial relates to adding links to buttons. The same process will work for adding links to text or links to any picture you add in other parts of Schoology. Before you get started linking anything, it's a good idea to have your Schoology course mapped out for how you would like things to be set up and have any folders or assignments already ready inside Schoology. Start by opening a second browser window and go to whichever web page inside or outside of Schoology that you would like to link to. This could be a folder or an individual assignment even. Copy the URL from the search bar. Then go back to the window with your course landing page in Schoology. Go to the page where you have your buttons copied into. Click on Edit and go to the first image that you would like to use as a link. Click on the image that you would like to use. Then go to Insert Link. A new window will open up for you to paste the URL into. Paste the URL into the space and hit Insert. Repeat the process for each picture until you are finished inserting the URLs. Copy all the buttons, go to Announcement, and paste the buttons with the links. After you have pasted the buttons, make sure to check the box next to the bell and hit Post. Your links should now be working. To check this, go to the Materials page and scroll down to any of the buttons that you have placed a link on. Then click on each one and see if it works. If it does not, go back and check your work to make sure that you have accurately linked the buttons to a website. If you have another announcement, you can delete it when you're finished posting the new announcement. Okay, thank you for joining me today. Have a great day.